Hello students, welcome to OTT. I am your maths teacher. I start the new channel in YouTube. Now onwards I will teach you in maths through this channel, okay? You have to do only one thing, that is you have to subscribe this channel. Today we are going to see 3rd standard maths term 1. In this we are going to see the first unit, geometry, okay? In geometry, they are giving first the basic shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, circle. In the down, they are giving some object. Okay, we have to match this object to these shapes. Come on, let's match that one. Okay, you see the first object. It is look like in which shape? Now we calculate the sides first. Okay, this object has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. In which shape has 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has only 3 sides, but so that shape is not in that shape. This object not like in triangle. Circle circle has no sides. Okay, so that these two objects we skip, and finally we have two objects, square, rectangle. We have to find the correct one. Okay, in square all the 4 sides are equal, but in rectangle opposite side only equal. This side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal, but in square all the sides are equal. That is the difference. In this object you can see this side and this sides are equal. This side and these sides are equal. Okay, therefore this object look like in rectangle. And you see this object, it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. In which shape has 3 sides? Here triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Therefore this object look like triangle shape. Okay, next one, chessboard. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. In which shape has 4 sides? Here square and rectangle has 4 sides, but in rectangle 2 sides only equal. In square all the sides are equal. If you look this object, all the sides are equal. Therefore it is look like square. It is look like square. You see this object, it is look like what? Yes, circle. It has no sides. This is also look like what? Yes, circle. You see this picture. This picture has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the 4 sides are equal. Therefore, it is look like square. This object has 3 sides. Therefore, it look like triangle. This blackboard has 4 sides. Here 2 sides only equal. The opposite sides only equal. Therefore, it is look like a rectangle. That's all, students. Okay, next, construction of 2D shapes. Let us understand the properties of 2D shapes. Okay, here they are making the square. Okay, now I teach you how to make a square by using the paper. Okay, they are giving step 1, step 2. I will do. Okay, you see. Okay, first you take one A4 sheet or one long size note paper like this. Okay, you fold that paper like this. Okay, I fold that paper like this. Okay, this is the step 1 and step 2. Now you can see here we have one extra part. Okay, this part look like rectangle. Okay, here that part is there, you see the red color I mark here. We have to tear that part. Okay, I am going to tear that part. Okay, I tear that part. I have that one rectangle part and another square part. Okay, in this square has 4 sides. Okay, 1 2 3 4 sides, and this part, this part is called corner. Okay, two sides are meeting one point. Okay, two sides are meeting one point. This point is called corner. It has 4 corners. 1 2 3 4 corners. And if you fold this square like this, like that, you will get that triangle. And if you draw, if you draw one line, if you draw one line in the middle, okay, that line is called diagonal. Okay, it has 2 diagonals. If you join this corner to this corner, you will get one diagonal, and this corner to this corner one diagonal. Okay, totally in this square it has 2 diagonals. Okay, that's all. And this all the 4 sides are equal in square. Now we are going to see the properties. Here we have the properties of square. First one, square has 4 sides. I already told you 4 sides. Which sides? 1 2 3 4. Totally 4 sides. Second one, all the 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are what? All the 4 sides are equal in length. Third one, square has 4 corners. Corners means 4 corners. Corners means this point. This point is called corner. 1 2 3 4. Square has 4 corners. And this one, square has 2 diagonals. Diagonals means if you join the 2 corner, you will get one line. This line is called diagonals. This line is called what? Diagonals. Okay, diagonals. The 2 diagonals are equal. Okay, these 2 diagonals are what? Equal in length. These are all the properties of square. Okay, next one, rectangle. They are making rectangle step by step. I will teach you, don't worry. Now you see, I take one rectangle shape paper. Okay, this is rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1 2 3 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. 1 2 3 4. 4 corners. And in the middle, if you join the opposite corners, this one and this one, you will get one line. This line is called diagonal. How many lines are there? There are 2 lines. Okay, Therefore this rectangle has that not this rectangle, all the rectangle. The rectangle has two diagonals, okay, two diagonals, four sides and four corners, and inside the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. This side and this side is equal, and this side and this side is equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This side and this side equal. This sides are equal. Now we see the properties of rectangle. Okay, here we have the properties of rectangle. First one, rectangle has how many sides? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Two opposite sides are equal. I already told you this side is opposite to this side, and these two opposite sides are what? These two opposite sides are equal, and this side is opposite to this side, and these two opposite sides are equal. These two opposite sides are equal. Second one over. Third one, rectangle has four corners. This is the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Rectangle has how many corners? Four corners. Rectangle has two diagonals. Diagonals means joining the opposite side. If opposite corner. If you join this corner into this corner, you will get one line, one diagonal. If you join this corner to this corner, you will get one diagonal. Okay, there are two diagonals, and the two diagonals are what? Equal. These two diagonals are equal. That's all. Next you see this triangle. Okay, here triangle has the properties. Triangle has three sides and three corners. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There are three sides. Corners means this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, totally three corners. That's all. Next, this one is the different types of triangles. Okay, first one is wait. First one, here we have different types of triangle. First one, isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. 1, 2. These two sides are equal. Second one, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. This side, these three sides are equal. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, all the three sides are not equal. Not equal. Here equal, here not equal. Okay, that's all. Now we are seeing circle. Circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve. Okay, and here they are telling how to make a circle by using bangle. Okay, here they are giving step by step. Step 1, you take one bangle and place it in the white paper. And take a pencil and draw the outline. You will get what? One circle. Here we have the properties of circle. First one, circle has no side. Yes, that means you see, is there any straight line? Is there in circle? There is no straight line. There is only curved lines. Okay, that's why circle has no sides. Second one, circle has no corners. There is no sides mean there is no corner. Corner means the two sides are meeting one point. This point is called corner. Okay, there is no corner in circle, and circle has one center point. Okay, you see here circle has one center point. That's all. Next, here we have one activity. Write the names of few objects in everyday use and mention their geometrical shapes. Example, okay. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we have many things, that things will have some geometrical shape. For example, table, okay. In your home, you have table, that table is in which shape? Cuboid shape, okay. Like that, you observe some objects and write their geometrical names. That is the first activity. That's all. This one is practice. We have already seen this in the above, okay. First one, triangle has dash corners. Triangle has how many corners? Yes, 3 corners. 4 sides of a square are equal or not? Yes, equal. 4 sides of a square are equal. Equal, okay. Circle has how many sides? Yes, no sides. Circle has no sides. Rectangle has dash diagonals. Yes, 2 diagonals. Okay, how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Circle has dash center point. How many center point? Yes, 1 center point. Okay, next. Next we are going to learn what is plane surface. Okay, surface of few objects like walls, floors, papers and top of a table are flat. Flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces or planes. Cubes and cuboids have flat surfaces. Okay, what is plane surfaces? That means flat surface. You are sitting in a bench, okay. You are in your classroom, you are sitting in your bench, on the top of the bench. You see, here we have one, okay, like take an example of this table. In the top of the top of the table is flat, okay. This is flat. This flat surface is called what? Plane surface. That's all. You see the blackboard? This is flat, okay. This is flat, okay. Okay, this flat surface is called what? Plane surface. This flat surface is called what? Plane surface. You see in this suitcase, that top of the flat, okay. This flat surface is called plane surface. In book, in top we have flat surface, that is called plane surface. That's all. Plane surface is nothing but flat surface. And now here we have curved surface. What is curved surface? Surfaces of few objects such as ball, flower vase, pot are curved. Curved means round, okay, round shape. Okay, you see this ball is in round shape. That means curved. Okay, this is the example of curved shapes. Cone, cylinder and sphere have curved surface. Curved means round surface. You see all the images have the round surface. That means curve. All the images have curve. That's all. Next. Next, here they are giving activity to draw all the 2D shapes in the given dot grid. One is done for you. A geoboard is a mathematical manipulative board. You see this board? This board is called what? Geoboard. This board is called what? Geoboard. This is mathematical manipulative board. Okay, here we have to draw the 2D shapes. What are all the 2D shapes? Square, they are already draw that shape, and rectangle, triangle, circle. We have to draw that shape here, okay, by connecting the dots. Now I am going to draw one 2D shape, rectangle. I connect that dot, okay, you see I connect that dot, rectangle, okay. Next one, triangle, this dot, triangle, okay. In this way you have to draw the 2D shapes, that's all. Next, okay, here join the dots in the grid using curved lines to make designs of your choice. One is done for you, okay. Here we have to draw the shapes by using curved lines, means like this, like this line, okay. I will draw, wait, this is called curved line, this is called curved line, this is called curved line. Straight line means that must be straight. This is called straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, okay. Here we only use the curved line only, not the straight line. By using curved line we have to draw some shape. For example, I am going to draw one shape by using curved line. I draw, this is curve, okay. I join this dot, okay. This is one shape, like that you have to draw, that's all. Next, okay, activity 3, draw. Activity 3, draw any 5 shapes and put a tick in the given boxes to indicate the types of the lines found in them, okay. Okay, in this column we have to draw some shape like this, okay, and this column curved line, this column straight line. Here we have to tick that shape is made by which line, okay. Here they are using curved line, and by using curved line they are making one shape, therefore they are ticked here, okay, curved line. Now I am going to draw one shape. Now you see I am going to use one line, okay. I draw this shape. I used which line, curved line or straight line? Yes, this is straight line. And here I am going to draw one shape. Okay, here I used which line, curved line or straight line? Yes, curved line. In this way you have to make a shape and tick the correct line, that's all. Next, okay. Okay, shall we do this practice? Okay, here they are giving some shapes, okay, and here we have in this column plane surface, curved surface, plane surface and curved surface. We have to put a tick mark, okay, that correct surface. I already teach you which is plane surface. Plane surface means the flat surface. This is cube, and this cube the top part is flat, okay, so that it has plane surface. Is there any curved surface? Curved surface means a round surface, okay. This is, there is no round surface, therefore it has only plane surface. And second one, cuboid, on the top it has the flat surface, that means plane surface. Here also it has flat surface, that means plane surface, therefore it has plane surface. Yes, plane surface. There is no curved surface. There is any surface like that circle? Oh, there is no curved surface. Third one, here we have, wait, okay, third one, cylinder, okay. Here in the top of the cylinder is the flat surface, therefore it has plain surface. And here we have circled, okay, circled surface, that means curved surface, okay, therefore it has curved surface also. So it has plain surface and also what, curved surface, therefore we have to tick in the third column, plain surface and curved surface. Here we have sphere, it has any flat surface, there is no flat surface. It has only what, curved surface. Curved surface. In cone, in the down it has flat surface. It has, so therefore it has plain surface, and in the top you see it is curved. Okay, therefore it has curved surface. Therefore it has two surface. You take the third column. That's all. I hope you understand. Cube has plain surface only, not curved surface, not both surface. It has plain surface only, not curved, not both surface. It has plain surface and curved surface cylinder. In sphere, it has no flat surface, therefore there is no plain surface. It has curved surface only, therefore there is no both surface. That's all, students. Today class is over. We will see in the next video. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.